Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'll be reviewing Larissa by Belle Madame in the color Dark Copper Mix, which is 829A. I'm wearing Carlotta from Belle Madame in the color Chocolate Mix right now, and I'll leave the link to Carlotta listed down below for you in the description box. I have not opened, I haven't even taken a peek at it. So excited. Told you I'm trying to review as many different brands and styles as I possibly can. Comes beautifully packaged. So excited to try a new brand. I really like this one. I really like this Carlotta. So I am hoping that I like Larissa as well. The cap is pretty much the same as Carlotta's that I'm wearing if you saw my review. The lace front goes all the way to the ear tab, left mono part. Doesn't seem to have an abundance of permatease, just what I could feel right here. We have felt covered ear tabs, an extended nape with Velcro adjusters, and a pretty good stretch to the cap. Nevertheless, I think I said it in my review of Carlotta, I don't feel these will fit above a 22 inch. I have an 11 and a half ear to ear, and as you can see how it fits me. So anything much larger than a 12 or a 12 and a half, I don't know, it might be the ear tabs might not fall correctly. Okay, this color that I have is A102720, which is chocolate mix. This one is dark copper mix, 829A. This seems to be very close to, right along the same lines as this one, along the same lines as Toffee Truffle from John Renault, Shaded Hazelnut from Raquel Welch. Very similar colors. Oh yes, right up my alley. Oh, this is so pretty. These are traditional fibers. Check out the lace front. Beautiful. And nice, the fibers going through on the front. So 829A, we have the 8 is a medium brown, and the 29 is right there with a dark auburn, but it has an A following it. So that could be a blend of theirs. And the blend could be with a ginger blonde or a light auburn. Really pretty. The fibers are really nice. How many times could I say really? They're not dry. They're not exceptionally wispy or anything because we do have traditional fibers here. The permatease is minimal at best. No permatease at the crown. Just a little bit right here on the side. And the density, I would say it's an average density, but leaning towards the light side. We don't have a lot of hair here. I think it's just perfect density. Perfect on my 21 and a half inch circumference. As I mentioned, I don't think it's going to fit above a 22 because I did not have to cinch in those adjusters. Seems to have nice movement. The ear tab is right here. So you see I do have a good amount of my hair showing. I'm going to add some root powder there. So that's why I am thinking that if your ear to ear is any much larger than a 12 inch, 12 and a quarter, it may not fit correctly. This does not bother me at all because I'll just match it with the root powder and it'll be fine. But for the sake of this video, we can tuck it If you don't have that low hairline, you're not going to have any problem with it. Add a headband. The part is nicely done. Add a little clip. And this color is beautiful. I love these brunettes with the auburn and the light auburn, or the strawberry blonde, ginger, or maybe it's caramel. Lots of dimension on this color. If you're a brunette, I think that you would, and you like warm brunettes, I think that you would absolutely love this one. Overall, I think it is a really pretty style. It checks all the boxes for me. The light density, the minimal permatease, the color, the fit, and I love the style. Let me know what you think. Do you have this style? Do you have any Belle Madame? Is there one that you recommend? Let me know. I'd love to hear from you. I hope that everyone is having a fantastic day, and I will see you next time. Bye.